Create with Meg! This is my Bible Lapbook for the second quarter. Let me show you what's inside. Who God is. These are Bible verses, and this is my favorite. God cares for you, so turn all your worries over to Him. 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7. Chadang. I can protect the earth. God made the earth. Use less plastic. Throw trash in the proper bin. Plant the trees. Save water and heart. Yay! Boom. This is about the prodigal son. The father hugged him when he came back. Ha! 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 For this my son was dead, and he is alive again. He was lost and he's found. Luke chapter 15 verse 24. Naaman dipped 7 times in the Jordan River. 2 Kings 5. He's sick, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ta-da! Yeah. And this is my most favorite one of all Lapbooks. And Moses stretched out his hand over the sea, and the Lord made the sea dry land, and the waters were divided. Exodus chapter 14 verse 21. I'm gonna walk. God made a promise to Abraham. The Lord took him outside and said, "Look at the sky and try to count the stars. You will have as many descendants as that." Genesis chapter 15 verse 5. How much kids more than the stars? Oh, I don't know. We care for God's creation. God wants me to be a good steward. We recycle, whereas I can help. Reduce, recycle. God is love. 1 John chapter 4 verse 8. This is my favorite. And this is God. With hands, eh? Yay! And at the back, God provides. So it was that quails came up at evening, and in the morning, manna lay all around the camp. Exodus chapter 16 verse 13. I'm gonna get some I'm shy. And that was my Bible Lapbook for the second quarter. Hey kids, if you like my videos, make sure to subscribe. See you next time.